what is a zero polynomial? Let's say first we want to define a polynomial in variable x of degree n. How do we write such a polynomial? Well, because polynomial is in x, so we say p of x, x is the variable. Now, we know that whenever we write a polynomial, we start with the term that has the highest value of the power of x to the lowest power of x, right? So since we have a polynomial of degree n, so our first term will be x raised to the power n, and it will have a coefficient, and let's say it is a n, n is the subscript. So the next term will be x to the power n minus 1, because we go from highest power of x to the lowest power of x, and because it is of degree n, highest power will be n, the next will be n minus 1, then it will be n minus 2, so on and so forth. And here the coefficient, we can write this as a n minus 1. Then the third term, we can write this as n minus 2 times x n minus power n minus 2. And it will go on like this till we get to, let's say, a3 x power 3 plus a2 x power 2 plus a1 x power 1, which is just x, a0 x power 0, which is 1. So this will be a standard way of writing a polynomial in variable x of degree n, right? Now let's imagine, now what are an minus 1, an minus 2, so on and so forth? These are just some constants, right? Now imagine a special scenario where an is equal to an minus 1 is equal to an minus 2 equal to all of these values, and they are all equal to, let's say, a3, a2, a1, they are all equal to 0. So what happens then? If all of these constant numbers, they become 0, then we are left with a simply a0, right? So we are left with a polynomial which basically looks like this, and a0 is any constant number. So we know that this is basically a constant polynomial, right? This is a constant polynomial. Now let's clean this up, and let's say we have a situation where we have a constant polynomial. Now what if a0 is also equal to 0? In that case, we have a polynomial that actually looks like this, and this is what is called as a zero polynomial. When we have a polynomial which is equal to 0, so it's a constant polynomial, but the constant is actually the number 0. We call that polynomial a zero polynomial.